Kanglaipa asigi ningtamba ngaknabagidamak ing 1954 da British ka Khongjom da soknakiba lan amadi lan aduda thawai katkiba athauba singbu ningsingduna Khongjom lan ningsing thauram pangthokrai. Ningsing thauram asigi mapung oiba thauramna Thaubalgi Khongjom da leiba Khongjom War Memorial da set laingakna sinduna pangthokhi. Thoramadda Governor Ajay Kumar Valana Lujingduna Laingaki Makok Thongba official sing amadi Miyamna Khongjom Kheba Chingda Leiba Athauba Singi Memorial da Laikatki. Manipur Rifles ki contingent amana Athauba Singi Mafamda salute piki Loinana Bengal season aduna last post Khongduna amadi minute khara tumina leiduna ikai kumna butki. Tungda Governor na Lujingduna Kheba Chingkhongda Leiba Pauna Brajavasi ki mitamda Laikatuna ikai kumna butki. Athauba Singi Mafamda ikai kumna utlaba matung Khongjom Turelda Tarpan Katki Thauramasi Manung Channa Manipur State Kala Academy ki artist singna Sankritan Pangtokhi Loinana Rup Mahal Theatre na sanaba Khongjom Lal Dramas uthi
We must build a future where our rich history is complemented by modern progress, where our youth find pride not only in their past but in the opportunities that the present and future hold. The youth of today are global citizens and Manipur must find its place on the global stage. We must also emphasize the importance of unity and harmony. Our society is diverse, yet our strength lies in our ability to stand together. The sacrifices made at Khongjom were not for any single group or community. They were for the future of all Manipuris. We must work together, embracing our differences while celebrating our shared heritage to build a state that is inclusive and united in purpose.